In this video, you will learn how to use the different views in Adonis. Click on Properties to open the notebook of a model. To choose which properties are shown in the notebook, select the filter that best suits your current needs. Go to Insights to analyze your model in more detail. Click Table to open the tabular editor. You can filter the view to display only specific types of objects, such as tasks. By double-clicking on a cell, attributes can be modified directly. You can use keyboard shortcuts to copy and paste attribute values between cells, e.g. Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. Switch to the textual view by clicking on Text. This interactive view offers clickable paths, which allow you to jump between process steps. This is especially useful in case of gateways, as it allows you to explore different process paths. You can click the name of an object to open its notebook. To switch back to the graphical editor, click on Model. Have a look at the Adonis Online help for more information.